Guess who's back again?
John Mass is back.
Tell a friend.
Oh,
Anyways,
look
we are back with our stupid adventures because Shane, it's actually been a long time since you guys having an update, but he crashed Martha. So we're just getting car parts because he swapped over Athena's front end onto Martha. So now we're at the junkyard and I'm gonna try to find some parts. Adventure. What's new, Shane? What are we doing here? What are we doing here?
Trying to get this front bumper off so I can get the core support for Athena.
Okay. So it's been a while, but just a little incident happened with Martha. Nothing too serious. Everything came out okay, but he ended up having to swap over some parts from Athena over to Martha, and now we're just here at the junkyard, obviously on half price weekend, trying to recover the parts that he swapped over and ended up a little bit broken. So we're gonna take this core support, the hood latch, what else are we gonna be taking? Not the crash bar, are we?
Yeah, the crash bar.
Okay, crash bar we're probably gonna be able to take. Might take the radiator depending. But yeah, we're just here. I would say after maybe 5 minutes?
5
minutes,
10
see?
minutes.
Things already off, bumper was on, as you guys saw. To work on a Volkswagen and put it quote in service position is not that hard. All you gotta do is literally take off the bumper, the crash bar, and you can literally work on everything. As a VR6, anything which is compact, or my bad, not compact, but large, you cannot work on it with it not being in service position.
Or significantly harder.
Yeah. So now it's off. He's debating if we should take the actual radiator and fans, just because during the crash this broke off right here. Nothing too severe, but debating.
Are those engine speed?
No, on the 2.0, bruh.
Hey.
On the 2.0 we are never gonna get engine spaces. The only thing we can take from here is that what was it, Diesel Geek short shifter from that 225 that was up there. Oh yeah, you're right. I'm unaware.
Alright, so we out here with 2022's hottest new fucking trend right before the year ends.
As you can see,
bedazzling.
Oh my god. But the best part is that it has stars. Cannot honestly forget about the non-faded one, and of course it would be a Nissan fucking Altima.
Who do you think owned this? Give me your guesses in the comment section below. Who do you think owned this?
Did you guys ever see this car?
That broken glass window too. It's that Stockton special.
Did you guys ever see this in Stockton? Holy fuck. God damn, look at this. It's all over the car. I'm surprised it's not even inside the interior at all. But wow. This guy definitely... Oh my god, not the... Oh my god. This is ridiculous.
Alright, what are we here for?
Anyways, okay, so we got the core support, we got the crash bar. Got a black jet Golf front end, as you can see. This side doesn't have no type of damage. There's a little fucking dent right here. Wow, we even got some fucking mud flaps. Ooh, rally. Sad life that this fucking four-door lived, as you can see.
Shout out to that one video with Danny Tejada.
For what?
Kicking
if you haven't seen it on TikTok, it's just Danny jumping and kicking a fucking car. But anyways, let's get back to what we're gonna do. So 100% gonna be taking this fender. Passenger fender's good. Driver fender, that's totally up to Shane. This hood is super faded, but he said he wants to kind of just get it together, so that's totally up to him. And let's get back to this shit. problem. Not really a problem. This wheel, junkyard people fucking suck because they always take the wheel locks. They never leave the wheel locks in the car or the key, so we can't obviously turn the wheel. Ideally, no one ever does, but still, we wish. So, OEM wheel lock. Where? Oh, here's that one. Anyways, OEM wheel lock, as you can see, taking off the fender liner is going to be a little bit difficult because there's 2 bolts in the back right there that have like some like body putty hiding 2 bolts, and then there's one at the bottom. So I'm going to be able to take this off a little bit harder than we wanted to, but it's not hard, it's just time consuming. Oh no, how did that get there? If you're a Volkswagen guy and you don't clean this out, you honestly deserve to be at the junkyard. But Jesus, Shane, how did that come out?
Shut up.
Stay back. Oh my god. Gee, you're a fucking technician. You just plugged the tire.
That's what it's like to be working at Ford, y'all.
Now that we got the bolts, the paste off on those, that one and that one, the 3rd bolt right here, snip the wire. This fender is off. It's a nice little fender. Shane's back. But yeah, now what?
Let's get a burrito.
Burrito time. He is debating if we're going to be taking the headlights because the headlights were completely destroyed in this little accident that he was involved in.
W8.
I heard him
and
say
it was manual.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
A W8. I pick and pull in Stockton. IPULL UPULL in Stockton. It's a V8 2.
W8. Get it right.
Well,
that's 2 VR4s, correct?
is it? Correction, yes, I guess. VR formation 4 and 4 V8. Anyways. Yeah, that sucks. It is for sale for $2,100. That's like exactly why fucking no one bought it. But back to the headlights. The headlights were destroyed in the small little accident that he was in, so we are probably going to be looking for a better set. There is a silver one up front right there with better condition headlights, so that's probably what we're going to be doing. Yeah. So after getting waxed by fucking IPULL UPULL, yeah, got all the parts that we needed. Who knew that there was actually a core charge for a fender? Like, I didn't know there was a core charge for a fender. They were just trying to get some money out of it. There was some nice BMW wheels too, but they wanted like $500.
They were M5.
They were M5 wheels?
Like the split 5-spoke kind of thing.
Yeah, and...
Like 19s, I think?
Yeah, but the tires were completely garbage. They wanted like $500, I think?
500.
Yeah, I was like, God damn, that's way too much. Screw it. Well, successful day, would you say? Or...
Half-assed.
Half-assed.
Could have been better.
Could have been a lot better.